Hello students, last lecture we are going to study the classification of organic compounds based upon functional group. Today we are studying the new point homologous series. Homologous series. So first of all I will discuss one example. For example, alkane, general formula CnH2n plus 2 and difference. First, methane CH4, no difference. Second, ethane C2H6, different C2H6 minus CS4 to gives one CH2 group. Next, propane C3H8, C3H8 minus C2H6 gives CH2, only one CH2 group. Next, C4H10, butane C4H10 minus C3H8, also only one CH2 group. And last, pentane C5H12, C5H12 minus C4H10 to gives only one CH2 group. या एक्झाम्पल वरून तुम्हाला आयडिया आली असेल की फायनल प्रोडक्ट इज सेम ओनली वन CH2 group means what these two successive members are differ by only one CH2 group according to definition of homologous series. The series of organic compounds contain same functional group but successive members are differ by only one CH2 group, that is the methylene group known as a homologous series. अशी organic compound ची series की त्यांच्यामध्ये molecular formula, general formula त्याचबरोबर functional group change होणार नाहीये पण सक्सेसिव्ह मेंबर मधला गॅप चेंज होणार आहे आणि तो डिफर कसा असेल ओनली वन CH2 group, that is the methylene group known as a homologous series. In case of homologous series, some important properties: same functional group, same general formula, similar chemical properties, but different physical properties like melting point, boiling point, densities, etc. And successive members are differ by only one CH2 group. बघा, in case of homologous series, same functional group, same general formula, similar chemical properties, because the functional groups are same, also chemical properties same, but the different physical properties like two different successive members are differ by CH2 group, hence the uh, compound increases, molecular weight increases, mass increases, also melting point and boiling point, as well as density changes, density increases, hence the physical properties different. म्हणजेच होमोलॉगस सेरीज मध्ये सेम मोलिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप राहणार आहे पण सक्सेसिव्ह मेंबर मधला गॅप हा एक CH2 ग्रुप राहील, मीन्स व्हॉट मिथाइलिन ग्रुप राहील, त्यांनाच आपण होमोलॉगस सेरीज सांगतो. याच्यामध्ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप सेम राहणार, जनरल मोलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला सेम राहणार, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज सेम राहणार, पण फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी चेंज होणार, एज वेल एज सक्सेसिव्ह मेंबर मधला गॅप हा CH2 ग्रुप राहील. फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपण बघा, CH4 C2H6 C2H6 minus CH4 घेतला तर वन गॅप CH2 राहतो. सिमिलर C3H8 minus C2H6 घेतला तर ओनली वन गॅप CH2 राहतो. नेक्स्ट C4H10 minus C3H8 घेतला, सिमिलर CH2 गॅप राहतो. अँड लास्ट C5H12 minus C4H10 हा गॅप घेतला तरी देखील CH2 गॅप राहतो. म्हणजेच सक्सेसिव्ह मेंबर मधला गॅप हा ओनली वन CH2 ग्रुप राहतो. अनदर एक्झाम्पल आपण बघू, मिथॅनॉल, इथॅनॉल, प्रोपॅनॉल अँड ब्युटॅनॉल, अल्कोहोल्स. CH3OH called as a methanol, no gap. C2H5OH called as ethanol. Ethanol minus methanol gives only one CH2 group. Next, propanol C3H7OH minus C2H5OH ethanol gives also CH2 group. And last, C4H9OH butanol minus C3H7OH called as a propanol gives also CH2 group. Means what? The successive members are differ by only one CH2 group but both having same functional group alcohol as well as same general formula. बघा, आपण अल्केनचं एक्झाम्पल पुन्हा एकदा ओपन चेन स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये स्टडी करू. N is equal to 1 CH4 called as a methane. N is equal to 2 CS3 CS3 called as a ethane. N is equal to 3 CH3 CH2 CH3 called as a propane. And last N is equal to 4 CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. आपण जर हे 4 स्ट्रक्चर डिटेल स्टडी केली तर सक्सेसिव्ह मेंबर मध्ये एक कार्बन इन्क्रीज होत चाललेलं दिसलेलं आहे. म्हणजेच मॉलिक्युलर मास इन्क्रीजेस, molecular mass increases, melting point, boiling point properties increases, also density increases. That is the physical properties of these four structures are different but same general formula, same functional group, hence the chemical properties as well as general formula and functional groups are same. बघा CH4 and CH3 CH2 successive members are differ by only one CH2 group. Next, another example. What is the molecular formula of fourth higher homologues of an ethyl alcohol? And next, second low homologues of butyl alcohol. बघा आपण आन्सर बघायचं बघू. What is the molecular formula of first ethyl alcohol, fourth higher homologues of ethyl alcohol? Answer बघा, ethyl alcohol structure CH3 CH2OH. This is called as a ethyl alcohol. पण क्वेश्चन काय सांगतोय, फोर्थ हायर होमोलॉग्स, म्हणजेच याच्यामध्ये फोर्थ हायर होमोलॉग्स मीन्स व्हॉट, ऍड 4 CH2 ग्रुप. इथाइल अल्कोहोल पेक्षा फोर्थ हायर CH2 ग्रुप असणारा कंपाऊंड फाइंड आउट करायचंय. म्हणजेच आपण इथाइल अल्कोहोल मध्ये 4 CH2 ग्रुप काय करणार, ऍड करणार. दॅट इज द न्यू फॉर्म्युला CH3 CH2, then add 4 CH2 group, CH2 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 and CH2, total carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6 called as a hexyl alcohol. म्हणजेच इथाइल अल्कोहोल पेक्षा फोर्थ हायर होमोलॉग्स कंपाउंड इज हेक्साइल अल्कोहोल. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, सेकंड लोएस्ट होमोलॉग्स ऑफ ब्यूटाइल अल्कोहोल. बघा ब्यूटाइल अल्कोहोल structure CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2OH. butyl alcohol total 4 carbon but second lowest, as a result 2 CH2 group remove from the butyl alcohol. butyl alcohol मधून तुम्हाला 2 CH2 group remove करावे लागतील. remove केलेत, therefore CH3 CH2OH resultant compound is ethyl अल्कोहोल. म्हणजेच तुम्हाला ब्यूटाइल अल्कोहोल पेक्षा सेकंड लोएस्ट कंपाऊंड असेल इथाइल अल्कोहोल, की ज्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही 2 CH2 ग्रुप ब्यूटाइल अल्कोहोल मधून रिमूव्ह केलेले आहेत. अशा तऱ्हेने आपण क्वेश्चन्स बघितला. पुन्हा एकदा मी क्वेश्चन्स रिवाइज करतोय. व्हॉट इज द मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला? तुम्हाला कंपाऊंडचे मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युलेज होमोलोगस सिरीज वरून फाइंड आउट करता येतात. बघा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, fourth higher homologues of ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol structure CH3 CH2OH, add fourth CH2 group, new compound is CH3 CH2 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 CH2OH called as a hexyl alcohol. And next, second lowest homologues of butyl alcohol. Butyl alcohol structure CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2OH, total 4 carbon atom but remove 2 CH2 group. The new compound is CH3 CH2OH called as a ethyl alcohol. अशा प्रकारे अजून आणखी काय आपण एक्झाम्पल्स बघू. बघा फंक्शनल ग्रुप अल्डिहाइड, होमोलोगस सिरीज ऑफ अल्डिहाइड. फंक्शनल ग्रुप C डबल बॉन्ड OH अल्डिहाइड. जनरल फॉर्म्युला Cn H2n plus 1 C double bond OH aldehyde. Put N is equal to 0 C 0 H 2 into N 0 plus 1 H, that is H C double bond OH called as a formaldehyde. Second, N is equal to 1 CH3 C double bond OH called as a acetaldehyde. Next, N is equal to 2 CH3 CH2 C double bond OH called as a propanaldehyde. Next, N is equal to 3 CH3 CH2 CH2 C double bond OH, total 4 carbon called as a butanaldehyde. And last, N is equal to 4 CH3 CH2 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 C double bond OH, total 5 carbon called as a pentanaldehyde. In case of homologous series of aldehyde, the successive members are differ by only one CH2 group, both having same general formula, same functional group, same chemical properties, but different physical properties, because molecular mass increases, boiling point, melting point also increases, as well as density increases, and these two successive members are differ by only one CH2 group. Also another homologous series of ethane alkane, पुन्हा आपण रिवाइज करो. वन कार्बन CnH2n plus 2 methane, 2 CH3 CH3 ethane, 3 CH3 CH2 CH3 propane, 4 CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 butane, and last 5 CH3 CH2 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 CH3 called as a pentane. These increase the carbon atom, molecular mass increases, melting point, boiling point increases. Also successive members are differ by only one carbon CH2 group, but both having same functional group, same general formula, as well as similar chemical properties. अशा प्रकारे homologous series बघा, the series of organic compound contain same functional group, but successive members are differ by only one CH2 group, that is the methylene group, known as a homologous series. अशी series की ज्याच्यामध्ये molecular formula same राहणार, functional group same राहणार, but successive members are differ by only one CH2 group. For example, alkanes CH4, C2H6, C3H8, C4H10, C5H12, both having alkanes, general formula same, but successive members are differ by only one CH2 group, that is the methylene group. Properties same, functional group same, general formula, similar chemical properties, different physical properties like melting point, boiling point, and density, and last successive members are differ by only one methylene group, is also known as a CH2 group. Thank you.